Hello, friends, and welcome. Watch closely. What is Peppa doing? Is Peppa running?
The bedtime story has sent Peppa and George to sleep.
No, Peppa is not running. She is sleeping. Watch closely. What is Peppa doing? Is Peppa jumping?
I love muddy puddles.
Peppa?
Yes, Peppa is jumping up and down in a muddy puddle. Watch closely. What are Peppa and her family doing? Are they swimming?
Hello, ducks. We're having a cycle ride.
Hello, duck.
No, Peppa and her family aren't swimming. They are riding their bikes. Watch closely. What are Peppa and her family doing? Are they dancing?
Lovely. I could do with a nice cup of coffee.
Can George and I have ice creams, please?
Of course.
No, Peppa and her family are walking, not dancing. Watch closely. What are Peppa and her friends doing? Are they dancing?
Today,
Yes, Peppa and her friends are dancing. Watch closely. What are Peppa and her friends doing? Are they playing a game?
Pedro Pony, Candy Cat, Mandy Mouse, Gerald Giraffe and Danny Dog are playing football.
Yes, Peppa and her friends are playing a game of football. Watch closely. What are Peppa and Rebecca Rabbit doing? Are they eating?
When George and Richard are older, they'll be able to swim like us, won't they, Rebecca?
No. Peppa and Rebecca are not eating. They are swimming. Watch closely. What are Peppa and her family doing? Are they sleeping?
My favorite.
Ooh, they might be my favorite too. Can I try some?
Yes, but just try a tiny bit.
I love noodles.
No. Peppa and her family are eating, not sleeping. Watch closely. What is Miss Rabbit doing? Is she cooking?
Then add the mushrooms, bananas, and extra bananas.
Ooh. Yes, Miss Rabbit is cooking. Watch closely. What are Peppa and her family doing? Are they sleeping?
Peppa is asleep.
Yes, Peppa and her family are sleeping. Watch closely. What are Peppa and her friends doing? Are they jumping?
Peppa's friends can ice skate very well. Peppa wants to ice skate too.
No, Peppa and her friends are not jumping. They are skating. Last round. Watch closely. What is Peppa doing? Is she skiing?
Sticks. To stop, point your skis together.
Skiing is fun.
Yes, Peppa is skiing. Great job today, friends. We learned lots of new action verbs. Thank you for learning with Chatterbox English and Peppa Pig. Keep practicing your verbs. and I'll see you next time. Bye!